This cost me $5 and I've already earned some money from it, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. It's called People Get Paid, and you'll find a link for it below this video. Now, it was emailed to me yesterday evening when I was sitting in the living room, and I took a quick look, and I wanted to shoot you this video review because I joined straight away because it's just $5, and I made money while I was asleep because I've got up, and I'm going to show you all the prospects I've got from the system, and I'm going to explain how the system works. So if you're interested, the link's below this video. You can go and create a free account, but I want to show you my account and show you how it's doing. Now, before I show you my account, below this video, you're going to find a link, and it's going to bring you over to this page. Make sure that you've got me in the top right-hand corner as your sponsor. And then down here, all you do is put your email address, add up the sum. Obviously, yours would be different. Put the answer in there to prove you're a human. Put a tick in that box, and then click this send me 5-minute video. And that will create you a free account. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you the steps to complete your registration. But let me first show you my account. And so as you can see here, I've been in the system just under 12 hours. And it's what, 9:21 a.m. in the UK here. Now, most of that 12 hours, at least 7 or 8 of them, I've been in bed. But I've already earned $5. And I know you're going to look at the screen and think, well, that's not a lot, Jeremy. But look what's in the system already. I've got 7 referrals and I've got 20 prospects. Now, these are the people that I invited, and these are the people that are in my pipeline that I didn't have anything to do with. You know, I don't know who these people are. The system's supplying me these people. Now, if you look up here, it says here that this system launched on the 15th of September. It's only the 26th of September. And so it's very, very new. So you're in early. And this is the live feed of people that are getting paid in the system right now. As you can see, $5, $10, $5, $5, $10. There's, there's people earning money as we speak. And I'm one of them. Now, let me take you over, because at the moment, this is the earnings that I've approved. But I've actually earned more than that. So if I come over to the left-hand side here and go to commission, and I look at my all-time earnings, I've got $15. So I've got to approve some more payments because I've received actually another $10. So I paid out $5. I've already got $15 come back to me. So let me show you a little bit more how the system works. So if I come over on the left-hand side again, and this time I go to referrals, and I'm going to block out some of their emails. You see, this guy here has paid me at the top here, and I've got to approve the payment. That $5 that I've already received will then go up to $10 once I've checked if this guy's paid me and where I've received the payment. As you can see here, this guy here already completed his payment. So that's my referral. So that means I've got, out of that $15, $10 has come from people that I've invited. Now, if I go back over to the left-hand side here, I've got prospects. Now, these people on this page, as you can see, I've got 20 prospects. These are people I don't know. I don't know where they've come from. They're not from me. I haven't invited them. These are what the system has fed me. And so if I look down here, obviously I'm not going to show you their email addresses, but their email addresses are down this left-hand side. They're new, so they haven't done anything. They haven't got any scores, so they haven't watched any videos or anything like that. But I've got this button on the left-hand side, and if I click that, I can then send them an email. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video which you on my team will get access to as well. And I'm going to send that to my prospects to show them how to get started. So if you create a free account with the link below, you're going to get an email from me, and it will give you all of my contact details. You'll be able to contact me, ask me any questions about the system. If you're in my team, I'm going to help you to turn your prospects into money, because that's what it's all about. Now, one more thing I want to show you is when somebody joins, you get the email from the system. And just look at this emails that I'm getting. Now, of course, these people have not paid yet, but I've got a potential of earning a lot of money every 24 hours once these people upgrade their accounts. And maybe some of them need a little bit of help to show them how the system works. So what happens when you actually join? Well, below this video, you're going to find a link. And if you click that link, it's going to take you over to this page. Check that I'm your sponsor in the top right-hand corner. There is a video there that you can watch. I didn't need to watch that video because I thought for $5, I'm not interested in the this marketing video here. So all you need to do, pop your email address in, add up the sum that's on the page there and put the answer in there. Then tick a box there and then click send me the 5-minute video. Now, when you click the button, that's created you a free account and it brings you in here. Now, you may have this menu that's showing over part of the screen. All you do is come up to these hamburger menu there, click on that, that moves that away. Now, I've already started to do this. Now, what you want to do is you want to watch this video. It's a very short video, I think about 3-4 minutes long, but it explains how you get paid and how you receive people from the system as well, not only the people that you refer. So you watch that video, you come down a little bit further, there's this message here, 1 minute and 45 seconds. So after you've watched that, then play this voice message here. And then what you do is you'll put a tick in that box there and then you'll click continue to step 2. Now in step 2, there's a voice message there. And so you listen to that for 1 minute and you choose your username. I've already chose mine and it's Join JR. Once you've done that, you click save and continue. That takes you on to step 3. Again, another voicemail that walks you through what you've got to do. And that's only 1 minute. It wants you to put your first name, your last name, and your email address. Here you can upload an image. So I've uploaded an image for myself, and you click save and continue. That will then take you to step 4, and this voice message here plays automatically. Listen to that. Now, there is some packages here that you can buy. There's a $20 one, there's a $100 one. I didn't pay anything at this stage. I just skipped this. So you can either pay this or you can just click on the button that says skip to the next stage. Now you come to step 5 that explains that you can connect certain ways to receive payments. So I've put my PayPal. So I've already received $5 into my PayPal. If you've got Cash App, you can add that one as well. You don't have to choose one of these. You can add all of them or one of them or as many as you like. And you've got all these ways. So I've got PayPal, Wise. I'm also happy to receive crypto. And then all I need to do then is click save and continue. You come to this stage. Now this system costs you $5 every 24 hours. And the people below you, they pay $5 every 24 hours. Or you've got the option to pay, for a longer period. You can pay $250 per quarter. You can pay $600 per year. Or you can pay $1,200 one-time payment for lifetime. I haven't done any of these at the moment, to be fair. I've only done the $5 because I want to see if the system's working. And so far, the system's working. You can either pay these or you can do what I'm doing, test the system first. And then click to the next step. Now, here is where you can add referral links, if for other programs that you might be in. And I haven't done this yet. I haven't learned about this. I'm going to look at this a little bit later and I'll make a video on it. So for me, what I did with this is I skipped for now. And then it brought me to this traffic source. Play the voice message again. And again, for me at this stage, I haven't done any of this because I only joined late last night. I haven't had a chance to look into all this in great detail. But when I do, I'll make a video to explain how that works. And that's it, basically. You've completed all of the steps that you've done. And if you've made your $5 payment, you'll get this status in the top right-hand corner to say you're active. So if you want to join my team and you want me to help you get started, click the link below this video. Come and create a free account. And I believe this is going to be the best $5 you've ever spent. You have a great day. I'll speak to you soon in another video. Click that link that will bring you over to this page. You have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.